That's their follow.
Something to watch too. For an example here, this was an oil change at a fast pace place that was not done right. Alright, and then there was no way to prove that they had done it. Had that oil change had been done right, this engine had not had been needed to be changed. So come to say, listen, when you do an oil change, what we do is a full service oil change. So we're going to check the vehicle, inspect all of your plastic, all your rubber, make sure that all your other fluids are topped off, and the engine is in okay conditions. And again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.